Hey guys, it is Dani'i and I'm here with updates on the tropics. So we have that highlighted area of disturbed weather in West 95L to the southwest of the Cabo Verde Islands. Will it become our next tropical cyclone? And over in the eastern Pacific, we have tropical storm ELIDA that recently formed, as well as two other areas of disturbed weather, as well as updated hurricane season predictions. So guys, before I go into details, please ensure to subscribe if you haven't and tap the notification bell so you know every time when I post a new video, because I will keep you guys updated on tropical cyclone activity right through the hurricane season. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My weather account is the girl Dani'i, and my personal account is Dani'i Henry Official. Okay, so first we want to go over to the eastern Pacific, and there we have tropical storm ELIDA located off the coast of western Mexico. Fortunately, not a direct land threat, but could still bring some impacts. We will go in details with ELIDA shortly, but there we have two other highlighted areas of disturbed weather. Usually we would see the X to mark where that center or that low pressure area is located, but they have not yet been identified, but they're expected to be identified and be highlighted with the X very soon, guys. And so fortunately those expected to be offshore as well. And then in details with ELIDA, so there we have it, looking a bit disorganized, but of course they're expecting it to look much better as time goes by, and also it is expected to become a hurricane. But there we have some of that thunderstorm activity brushing on the coast of Mexico, western Mexico right there. So the rip currents as well as that rainfall and gusty winds possible, but no major impacts are expected, guys. And so for the National Hurricane Center's cone of uncertainty, there we have it. The storm has winds of 45 miles per hour, accelerating to the west-northwest at 17 miles per hour, and we could see it becoming a hurricane by tomorrow morning. So a bit of rapid intensification is expected, but maybe by Tuesday we will start to see somewhat of a weakening trend, and so it could become post-tropical maybe by sometime on Thursday, guys. So as I said, expect it to be well off the coast of Mexico and not going to bring some dangerous land impacts. Nothing major, guys, but still we have to take extra precautions. And so next we have Invest 95L to the southwest of the Cabo Verde Islands. So it is given a medium 50% chance of development through the next 5 days, and this morning it was at 20%, as formation was not really anticipated due to unfavorable conditions that it will encounter. But here we have it, the chance has definitely increased, and so this could be a Caribbean threat, mainly the eastern Caribbean, because there's a possibility it could move into the Caribbean or go just north of the Greater Antilles right there. So this is the GFS map here, and this is the map showing the isobars lines of equal pressure, and those are the black lines, and the more circular they are, with the pressure being below 1030 millibars, that is a low pressure system. So there it is, about midway between the Lesser Antilles as well as just off the coast of Africa right there, 1003 millibar low. So that's maybe a tropical depression, possibly a tropical storm. And this is the Euromodel showing somewhat of the same thing. There we have it, but not expecting it to be as strong. Maybe it is a tropical depression at that time, guys, but it is possible that we could definitely see this becoming a tropical depression, guys. And so looking across the Atlantic region right now, we have the conditions getting favorable for some tropical cyclone development, and by the middle going into the latter part of this month, next month, going to be quite hectic, guys. And so I've updated my hurricane season prediction, guys, and so let's look at it. So previously I predicted 15 to 22 named storms, 9 to 12 hurricanes, as well as 4 to 8 major hurricanes. And this were for emphasis, a major hurricane has winds that are beyond 111 miles per hour, or basically category 3 or higher on the Saffir-Simpson scale. So I'm actually expecting more, but not a lot more, but I've updated it because of how fast we're seeing these named storms here. So I've updated this prediction, guys. And so now I'm actually expecting 17 to 25 named storms, of which 10 to 14 could become hurricanes, and 5 to 8 major hurricanes, guys. And so whether we see 17 named storms, 10 hurricanes, 5 major hurricanes, or 25, 14, and 8, whether we see any of these numbers here between this range, this is going to be quite active. I'm definitely expecting a very above average season, guys. And so as time goes by, as I said earlier, I will keep you guys updated. And so guys, if you found this video to be pretty informative, please give a thumbs up, and you can also share thoughts in the comments or ask a question. I'll try to respond as best and as soon as I can. And just remember to always be weather-wise.